Did you say I am pretty? Written by Hwang In-chan. Illustrated by Lee Myung-ae. Wonbyot Publishing Company.
So pretty!
Kyunghee looked at me in the middle of class and said it. She spoke so softly I didn't know she meant me. I was startled. Oh wow! She called me pretty?
Everyone line up!
Me? Pretty? What on earth did she mean?
Who wants to play tag with me? Me!
No. She said I'm pretty? I felt so strange. I didn't know why I felt that way. Me? Pretty? Pink. Can I borrow your pink-colored pencil?
No way!
Could Kyunghee like me? But that can't be it. She wouldn't even lend me a colored pencil. She can't like me. Then, does it really mean I'm pretty? If I look closely, maybe I do have some good-looking parts. My nose is pointy, and my eyes are bright.
Hey, the bell rang.
I am kind of handsome, so calling me pretty isn't totally wrong. Grandma always says my handsome boy whenever she sees me. Somehow, lunch tastes better today. Yum, yum, yum.
After soccer class, Grandma will pick you up.
But I still feel a bit strange. What is pretty? What does pretty mean?
Block it!
I don't really know what pretty means. Pretty?
Over here!
Pretty? But I know pretty is a nice word.
Hey, what are you doing?
Look at the sky. The sunset is so pretty. Right?
Right? Yeah. I'm pretty too. My heart felt all fluttery. I'd never felt this way before. That night, I had a very long dream. It was a wonderful dream. I couldn't remember it when I woke. Good morning! Kyunghee is chatting with Sung Mi-ju. I walk over to say hi. I've never greeted her, but today I want to.
Wow, it's so pretty. Isn't it? My seat is awesome. I can see the cherry blossoms from here.
My face suddenly burned. Even my ears. I turned and ran down the hall. I couldn't go back. I was so embarrassed. Kyunghee was talking about the tree. She wasn't saying I was pretty. Not me. I felt so sad. Why was I sad? I'm not sure. Class is about to start. I really should go in. But I can't. I don't want to. So this is it. This is what pretty means. The tree was full of tiny, cute pink blossoms. The flowers were so pretty. Seeing them made me feel a bit better. I learned then that pretty things make you happy.